Hey everybody, this video here, I got a package from HL Flake, and so I wanted to show you something I got in here. I don't even remember what all I ordered. Oh yeah, some cabinet lock strike plates and stuff. Let me get that crap out of the way. What we really want is probably in this box. Alright, so all the other stuff there is just pin refills and some cabinet or drawer lock strikes that you hardly ever need, but when you do, it's nice to have. This right here, though, is what I wanted to show you. This is a Bullseye installation jig. Wood doors, I normally just use just a HPC back set marker. And I had a really crappy jig for metal doors. So, speaking to my man Bill Bacardi up in Chicago, recommended getting this one. So it's about 200 bucks, but installation tool for a cylindrical lock set, so that actually locks on the door, keep you nice and centered and everything. And I believe these rings, I think they come out for depending on what size hole you're gonna bore. It's like a set screw in there that'll take the rings out. But anyway, this thing just looks like slide right on the door. And I think these here would probably be for different back sets. And you clamp it down, and it's nice and soft on the inside. Looks like I'm actually pretty excited here. I've never used one of these. Never owned a really good one actually until now. So looks like this is adjustable too for different door thicknesses. And then you clamp it on the door and keep you nice and straight when you're drilling your holes, or if you ever have to expand a hole. Yeah, that's a huge pain in the ass. So it's nice that it works with that as well. So instructions and everything. Well, Allen wants to take the take these rings out, I guess. So anyway, so I've never used one of these, so I got some practice to do with it, but just want to show you guys. I'm pretty excited about it. A little, I guess not really a Christmas present to myself, but it's around the holidays anyway, so another thing to add to the toolbox. Anyway, so that'll do it for now. I guess I need to go stock pins. Got a whole bunch of the lab refill vials here for Schlage and Quickset that I go through a ton of. So anywho, that'll do it now for now, guys, and we'll talk to everybody later.